San Francisco is a city of diversity and innovation, with a spirit of adventure that stands tall. The hills rise and fall like a roller coaster, creating a grand and charming cityscape. From Fisherman's Wharf to Alcatraz, the city's spaces fill the heart with awe. San Francisco is a place of culture and history, and a vibrant mix of diverse voices.
The majestic Golden Gate Bridge stands tall as a symbol of the city's resilience and strength. It is a testament to San Francisco's pioneers' will to succeed. San Francisco's neighborhoods are all unique in their personalities and character. A place open to all, San Francisco offers a spirit of adventure that never fades.
Autumn brings fog that shrouds the city with a busy season of festivals, food, and fun. It is a season of gratitude and a time to let the heart's desires run.